Who's got the iPod with the music on it? Come on.
Tip, I bet you could make it.
Listen to that.
They're not heading to the marsh though. They're going the wrong direction.
They're panicking! Bats or something, huh? This is just like being outside of Harbor Mountain.
That's cool.
That was an amazing number of coyotes.
Wasn't it though?
Yeah. It's like, I didn't see any coyotes.
Somebody said they saw one.
Have you heard them before?
Not like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I was like, there's a bunch of them.
Yeah.
We were woken up at
There's a whole gobble of them.
Yeah.
barking kind of thing, and then this, we were lifting up and it was huffing, pups,
I'm not
and we heard the
listening to
little
you because
pups
I'm too
barking
busy
this
watching
spring.
the birds.